Elam SRS. Introducing the Elam SRS, a smart charging solution for trams and electric buses, designed to operate quickly, efficiently, and automatically. In today's cities, this system eliminates the need for overhead wires, helping to create a cleaner, wire-free environment. The Elam SRS is designed to charge vehicles directly at their regular stops, reducing waiting times and enhancing overall efficiency. A standout feature of this system is its safety mechanism, which activates only when a vehicle is correctly positioned. This ensures the safety of both pedestrians and drivers. While implementing this advanced technology does require careful planning and investment in infrastructure, the benefits are clear. The Elam SRS not only improves public transportation but also significantly reduces environmental impact. As more cities adopt the Elam SRS, it paves the way for a greener, smarter future in urban mobility, making public transport more sustainable, efficient, and convenient for everyone. Audi Vista. Introducing the Audi Vista, an innovative electric vehicle concept created by master student Hike Moon. This four-seater vehicle is designed to revolutionize urban commuting. One unique feature of the Audi Vista is its ability to fold in the middle. This allows it to transform into a compact size, making it perfect for navigating crowded cities and tight parking spaces. The Audi Vista has two riding modes. In Segway mode, it offers better agility for moving through busy streets. In Roadster mode, it provides a sportier driving experience for open roads. This concept is all about fun, freedom, and versatility. The Audi Vista promises an exciting future for urban mobility. Unleash your adventure with the Audi Vista. Avanguardia. Introducing the Avanguardia, a futuristic yacht concept designed by Lotar Design Studio. This avant-garde vessel is inspired by the elegant shape of a swan. One of its standout features is the control tower, designed to resemble a swan's head. This unique tower can be detached and transformed into an auxiliary 16-meter boat for added versatility. The Avanguardia measures an impressive 137 meters in length. It is powered by twin fully electric side engines and a central Rolls-Royce engine, ensuring smooth and efficient sailing. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that matches its stunning exterior. The yacht offers spacious living areas, multiple decks, and state-of-the-art amenities. It includes 5 decks connected by elevators, a helipad, and 2 pools. There's also plenty of space for social gatherings and relaxation. The Avanguardia can accommodate up to 60 guests and 24 crew members. This ensures a lavish and comfortable experience for everyone on board. In terms of technology, the Avanguardia is equipped with advanced systems to enhance your sailing experience. EV Gyro Car. The EV Gyro Car combines the speed and thrill of a motorcycle with the safety of a car. Its self-balancing technology means riders may not need helmets or extra protective gear, making it appealing to those who might feel nervous about traditional motorcycles. This advanced feature ensures stability and security, allowing for a smooth and safe ride. The design of the Gyro Car brings a unique riding experience, aiming to give you excitement on the road without compromising safety. Another similar innovation is the BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100, a smart motorcycle that balances itself whether it's moving or stationary. These self-balancing vehicles mark a major step forward in personal transportation, merging the fun of two-wheel riding with added safety. With innovations like the EV Gyro Car and self-balancing motorcycles, the future of motorcycling looks promising, offering riders greater safety without sacrificing the thrill of the ride. Garmr .003. Introducing the Garmr .003, an off-road beast designed for extreme terrains and rugged adventures. This vehicle is the latest iteration in the Garmr series, known for its durability, power, and versatility. The Garmr .003 features a reinforced chassis and an advanced suspension system. Its large all-terrain tires make it capable of handling the toughest landscapes with ease. Under the hood, this model is equipped with a powerful turbocharged engine. It delivers exceptional torque, allowing it to conquer steep inclines and deep mud pits without struggle. The vehicle also comes with a sophisticated four-wheel drive system. This system can be adjusted for different terrain types, ensuring optimal performance in sand, snow, and rocky conditions. With the Garmr .003, you're ready to take on any adventure. Goodyear Eagle 360 Urban. Introducing the Goodyear Eagle 360 Urban, a revolutionary tire that uses artificial intelligence to enhance both safety and driving performance. Unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show, this tire takes a bold step into the future with its spherical shape and unique functionality. What sets the Eagle 360 Urban apart is its attachment to the vehicle through magnetic levitation. This allows it to move freely in all directions, including sideways. Such flexibility means enhanced maneuverability and a smoother driving experience. The tire's surface is equipped with sensors that constantly monitor road conditions. When it detects wet surfaces, small bumps emerge on the tire tread for better traction. In dry conditions, the tread smooths out, creating a softer and more comfortable ride. This intelligent response to changing road surfaces makes the tire adaptable in real time, boosting both safety and comfort. With the Goodyear Eagle 360 Urban, we get a glimpse into a future where smart technology transforms driving, making vehicles more efficient and easier to handle. KT2 Kung Fu Turtle. Meet the KT2 Kung Fu Turtle, a small, programmable robot that brings fun and practical benefits to your daily routine. Designed to fit easily on your desk or workspace, it's a playful companion offering endless entertainment with 99 built-in games. But the KT2 Kung Fu Turtle is more than just a fun gadget. It's also an educational coding tool that helps users learn programming skills in an interactive way. This robot includes a helpful Pomodoro timer to boost productivity, as well as stretch reminders, promoting a healthier work routine. What makes it especially engaging is its ability to respond to touch and gestures, creating an interactive experience that's enjoyable for all ages. Available now on Kickstarter, early bird prices start at around $99. Its modular design, inspired by Lego, makes it easy to assemble and customize. With the KT2 Kung Fu Turtle, you're blending the thrill of technology with the comfort of having a smart, fun companion right by your side. Lit Motors C-1, AEV Autonomous Balancing Electric Vehicle. Meet the Lit Motors C1 AEV, a unique vehicle that combines the stability of a car with the agility of a motorcycle. This autonomous, gyro-stabilized electric vehicle brings a fresh perspective to urban transportation. With its advanced design, it's perfect for eco-conscious commuters who want an efficient and exciting ride. The C1 isn't just a two-wheeled electric vehicle, it's built for both stability and safety. It uses patented gyro technology to keep the vehicle balanced, even during sharp turns or sudden stops. This system automatically adjusts, transferring roll moments to the gyros, not the passengers. So, riders get a smooth, steady experience without the wobble or tilt that's common in traditional motorcycles. When it comes to performance, the C1 doesn't disappoint. It can reach speeds over 100 miles per hour and covers up to 170 miles on a single charge. Its high-efficiency battery system keeps it going strong, making it an ideal choice for long commutes or city errands. Adding to its excitement, the C1 tilts up to 45 degrees during turns, creating a dynamic driving experience that's both fun and responsive. This design gives the driver the thrill of a motorcycle but with the control and comfort of a car. Beyond performance, the C1 is incredibly eco-friendly. It's built with fewer parts and materials compared to standard electric vehicles, which results in an 80% boost in efficiency over the lifetime of a typical mid-size EV. This streamlined design not only helps the environment but also reduces operational costs by over 80%. Safety is also a top priority. The C1's enclosed cabin, equipped with seatbelts and airbags, offers protection for 2 passengers. It's designed for daily commuting, providing the security of a car within a compact, efficient structure. Monocab. Monocab is a groundbreaking transportation solution that changes how we think about rail travel. Unlike traditional monorails, it balances on a single conventional rail. This design does not need any mechanical support. This innovative feature allows 2 Monocab vehicles to travel in opposite directions on the same track. This maximizes efficiency and saves space. The compact, driverless cabin can hold up to 8 passengers. This makes Monocab perfect for revitalizing unused railway lines in rural areas. Its stability comes from advanced gyroscopic systems and a movable mass. These technologies ensure a smooth ride for everyone. Successful test runs have already taken place on historic tracks in Germany. These tests show that Monocab is a promising glimpse into the future of local public transport. The system operates on a service-on-demand model. It is easily accessible through a mobile app. This greatly improves individual mobility in areas where traditional transport options are limited. With Monocab, we can look forward to a new era of efficient and accessible transportation. Solar-powered plane. Imagine a world where planes soar through the skies, powered entirely by the sun. The Solar Impulse 2 is an experimental aircraft that has already shown this possibility. It completed a historic journey around the world without using a drop of fuel. This solar-powered marvel is equipped with over 177,000 photovoltaic cells. These cells harness sunlight to generate electricity, allowing the plane to fly day and night. While commercial solar planes are still a dream, the advancements in solar technology seen in Solar Impulse 2 are paving the way for a greener future in aviation. This innovative approach offers a glimpse into sustainable air travel. As we look ahead, the Solar Impulse 2 stands as a testament to what is possible. It encourages us to rethink how we power our planes and protect our planet. Transparent Canoe. Introducing the Transparent Canoe by Schlemmer, a one-of-a-kind watercraft made from clear polycarbonate that lets you see underwater as you paddle. This unique design combines the stability of a canoe with the sleekness of a kayak, creating an exciting new way to explore waterways. The Transparent Canoe is lightweight and easy to maneuver, reaching speeds of up to 5 miles per hour using just human effort. With no need for fuel, you can paddle as far as your energy takes you, offering an eco-friendly way to connect with nature. Priced around $1,600, this canoe provides a special experience for adventure lovers. Imagine gliding over calm lakes, rivers, or even coastal waters with an unobstructed view of the underwater world below. You get to enjoy aquatic life and vibrant underwater scenery like never before. Whether you're exploring serene lakes or venturing into colorful coastal areas, the Transparent Canoe offers a memorable experience that stands out from traditional watercraft. Kingsong S18 Electric Unicycle. The Kingsong S18 is the ultimate electric unicycle, perfect for both city commuting and off-road adventures. It's powered by a strong 2200W motor that allows it to reach speeds of up to 50 km per hour. With a robust 1110 watt-hours battery, this unicycle can travel up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. One of the standout features of the Kingsong S18 is its adjustable suspension system. This makes your ride smooth and comfortable, regardless of the terrain you're tackling. Whether you're gliding through city streets or exploring rugged paths, the suspension adapts to give you a controlled experience. The unicycle also includes a built-in trolley handle, so when you're not riding, you can easily transport it without hassle. Priced at approximately $995 in the US, the Kingsong S18 delivers a perfect balance of power, range, and advanced features. Whether you're a daily commuter or a seasoned enthusiast, the Kingsong S18 offers both freedom and convenience for personal mobility. Rolls-Royce Excel. The Rolls-Royce Excel is more than a concept. It's an ambitious project aiming for big achievements. Excel stands for the Airspace Collaboration Challenge for Electric Flight. This project brings together Rolls-Royce, Electroflight, and other partners. The aircraft, called the Spirit of Innovation, has a bold mission to break speed records. It aims to fly at over 300 miles per hour. In September 2022, it completed its first successful flight, marking a key milestone. Test flights continue, with improvements being made to its performance. A record-breaking attempt is planned for 2024. The Excel project is pushing the limits of eco-friendly aviation. It highlights the potential of electric flight for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Despite challenges like battery technology and regulations, it's a giant leap forward for high-speed electric aircraft. Fiat Topolino. The new Fiat Topolino is transforming urban mobility with its cute design and focus on sustainability. Reviving a classic name, this compact vehicle is 100% electric, showcasing Fiat's move toward an electric future. It's built for city life, making it ideal for a wide range of people, from young drivers to families and city explorers. The Topolino offers a new, eco-friendly way to get around, perfectly in line with Fiat's goal of making urban transportation more accessible. Its charming look is designed to attract younger generations, hoping to reignite their passion for cars. But it's not just about looks, this small vehicle is also practical. It promotes electric mobility while being a great option for families, helping to make city driving greener and more efficient.